dear Himani, ma'am, my mentor, and all my friends of Skill Ninja. And thanks once again to giving me an opportunity to share my views upon virtues in front of all of you. Virtues. Let me begin with a beautiful quote. Watch your thoughts, they become words. Watch your words, they become action. Watch your actions, they become habits. Watch your habits, they become character. Watch your character, for it becomes your destiny. And I also remember the very old proverb that if wealth is gone, nothing is gone. If health is gone, something is gone. And if character is gone, everything is gone. So, this quote reminds us that our character shapes our future and character is built through virtues. But what are virtues? Even each and every letter of virtues have a different, a meaningful word. The letter V stands for values. V stands for values. I stands for integrity. L, sorry, VIR. R stands for respect. T stands for truthfulness. U stands for understanding. E stands for empathy. And yes, the last word stands for self respect. Virtues are the good qualities that guide us to do the right thing. They are not something we are born with, they are developed through our daily actions. Every choice we make, whether to be honest, kind, patient, or responsible, helps build our character. Imagine a beautiful building. It may look attractive from outside, but without a strong foundation, it cannot stand for long. Similarly, our knowledge, talent, and success have little value if they are not supported by virtues. One of the greatest virtues is honesty. Honesty means speaking the truth and being sincere, even when no one is watching. For example, if you find a wallet on the road and return it to its owner, you may not receive a reward, but you gain something much more valuable: self respect and trust. Another important virtue is kindness. Kindness is not measured by big actions, but not measured by big actions, but by small gestures. A smile to someone who is feeling lonely, helping a classmate understand a lesson, offering your seat to an elderly person, or simply saying thank you and please are all acts of kindness. These small actions can make a big difference in someone's life. The next virtue is respect. Respect means valuing every individual regardless of age, background, or profession. We should respect our parents, teachers, friends, and even those who disagree with us. Respect also means respecting nature, public property, and the environment. When we give respect, we receive respect. When we give respect, we receive respect. Another virtue that every successful person possesses is patience, the foremost and the very important virtue. We live in a world where everyone wants instant results, but nature teaches us an important lesson. A seed does not become a tree overnight. It grows slowly with care and time. In the same way, success comes to those who work consistently and patiently without giving up. So we should not give up. Responsibility is another essential virtue. Responsible people keep their promises, complete their works on time, and accept the consequences of their actions. Whether it is completing our assignments, keeping our surroundings clean, or helping our family, responsibility helps us become dependable individuals. Finally, let us talk about courage, the foremost quality, the foremost virtue. Courage does not always mean being fearless. Sometimes courage means admitting our mistakes, standing up against injustice, or speaking the truth even when it is difficult. It takes real courage to do what is right. History is full of people who become great not because of their wealth or power, but because of their virtues. Mahatma Gandhi inspired millions through truth and nonviolence. Mother Teresa devoted her life to serving the poor with compassion. APJ Abdul Kalam became the people president because of his humility, simplicity, honesty, and dedication. Their virtues continue to inspire the world. Dear friends, today's society needs not only educated people, but also people with strong values. A doctor without compassion, a teacher without honesty, or a leader without integrity cannot truly serve society. Knowledge gives us the ability to earn a living, but virtues teach us how to live. Now, I just want to tell everyone to ask to yourself to every day before sleeping, am I being honest? The very foremost and first question, am I being honest? Am I showing kindness? Am I respecting others? Am I taking responsibility for my actions? If the answer is yes, then we are already on the path to becoming better human beings. I would like to conclude with these inspiring words. Virtues are the light that guide our actions, strengthen our character, and make the world a better place. Success may make us known, but virtues make us remembered. So, let us promise today to practice honesty, kindness, respect, patience, responsibility, and courage in our daily life. Thank you so very much to all of you to listening me so patiently. Thank you so much. That's all from my side.